Hey guys, this is Brian. I'm going to show you how these binoculars can take pictures and video, but first I want to show you the basic setup here. 42 wide-angle binoculars. So these are nice because you can adjust both the diopter and the central focus here. This does come with some nice eye cups to protect both lenses. This is the tripod here. You can go ahead and set that up. I'll show you how to do that. This is the phone holder. This is to wipe off the lenses in case you get them smudged. So first off, I'm going to kind of give you a rundown of how to use the binoculars. And you want to adjust them back and forth like this way. And that way you can find your interpupillary distance, I think they call it. Basically just where you can adjust them. Start out wide, and then you just bring them closer and closer until the two circles of vision, and then you're going to bring them closer until it merges into one circle, basically, so one large field of vision. To get clarity with the binoculars, the directions say to start with the left side, close your right eye, and what you're going to do is with your right eye closed, adjust the focus like this until it becomes clear in your left eye. Then once it's clear, you can open up your right eye, close your left eye, and then adjust the diopter here. That's this tab right here. A lot of times, once both my eyes are open, you can kind of play with both dials here. So you can go back to the focus right here and move that to get it super focused. So let's put them on this tripod here. So with the tripod, this is a separate piece and it just screws on here. And this adjusts as well on the bottom here. You can adjust it left and right. And the legs fold up like that. All right, so to place these on the tripod, bring them down on top of it like this. And what's going to happen here is this is going to screw in right here. So this, we'll just place it on top here. This just screws on in. To screw this in all the way, there's a little notch here that you can go ahead and turn to screw in, creating stability. So you can just set this up and use this if you're nature watching. Now this piece is the phone holder. This is what's going to hold the phone. You just attach it like this to your phone, and then this optic piece just goes over whichever camera you're using here. So this is what it looks like. For me, it was the bottom camera on my iPhone. And next up, you're going to go ahead and attach it to the binoculars. So it comes with this little cup. It just fits right on one of the binocular eyepieces. You can do it on the left or right. On this example, I have it just connected to the right so the camera can see this a little better. We're going to zoom in just a little bit. There's two towers kind of in the distance, or at least two little towers on top of these buildings, and that's what I'm focusing in on. So you can use your actual camera, your phone, to zoom in and out, and you can also do that with the binoculars. So you can adjust the binocular settings. It's going to have this circular aperture here, and you can move it around like so. If you want to make the image clearer, you can do that with the diopter button on top as well as the focus dial on the top of the binoculars. You can take images and photos as well here. Go ahead and check out this product.